morning to Sojourner and all my beloved friends. Today, we will present about Tig Weldings. Here, I and my group member. I am Abby. We have Muhammad Hafiz, Muhammad Khairul, and Muhammad Saiful.
Welding is a fabrication process in which two or more parts are joined together by means of heat by melt the metals, and when cooled will produce a bending of the metals. A weld can be defined as a coalescence of metal produced by heating to a suitable temperature with or without the application of pressure and with or without the use of filler material. In fusion welding, a heat source generates sufficient heat to create and maintain a molten pool of metal of the required size. There are many different types of welding process used today for different effects and needs. Four of the most common are arc welding, MIG, gas welding, and TIG. Type of welding is TIG, tungsten inert gas. TIG generated between non-consumable tungsten electrode and workpiece. The tungsten electrode and the pool are shielded by an inert gas, normally argon and helium. TIG used an arc between a tungsten electrode and a work to fuse the joint. The electrode is not melted, and any filler material needed to build up the weld profile is added separately.
Okay, next, let me see welding concept. Gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW), also known as tungsten inert gas (TIG) welding. The weld area and electrode are protected from oxidation or other atmospheric contamination by inert shielding gas. Filler metal is normally used through some welds, known as autogenous weld or fusion weld do not require it. Helium is used. This is known as helium welding. The welding power supply produces electrical energy, which is conducted across the hearth through a column of high ionized gas and metal vapors. GTAW is most commonly used to welding section of stainless steel, non-ferrous metals such as aluminum, magnesium, and copper alloy. The process grants an operator greater control over the weld than competing progress such as shielded metal hard welding and gas metal hard welding. And how about advantages TIG? First, very clean weld. Offer the high degree of control. The welder can be used with or without filler material. Create strong welds, excellent with bend components. Thank you.
Disadvantage TIG: time consuming, needs skilled welder, cannot be used for thinner metal joint, more expensive. Next is type of joint. 1. Butt joint welding. Butt joint is a joint where two pieces of metal are placed together in the same plane and the side of each metal is joined by welding. Second, corner joint welding. Corner joint meet in the corner in either an open or closed manner from the L shape. Third, T-joint welding. Format when two pieces interest at a 90 angle. Edges come together in the center of a plate or component in a T shape.
Alright, next I will talk about working procedure. Firstly, we must to make sure all equipment is in a good condition before use to avoid any accident. Secondly, keep our welding equipment, work area and glove in a dry condition to avoid electric shock. Thirdly, we must to stand on a rubber insulation mat during operation if supplied. Not only that, we must to make sure glove, welding gun and work indicator are in a good condition, not to expose wiring. Furthermore, make sure all the work area are protected from lightning, welding curtains. The last but not least, when the work is done, turn off all equipment after using the welding. After that, I want to talk about safety element. First thing first, we must to protect ourselves from fumes and gases. Then we need to using tools and equipment in the way they are intended. Not only that, we must to check your equipment before starting to using the welding. Furthermore, we must to follow all manufacturer guidelines. Before using the welding, we must to ensuring others are not in danger while working. The last but not least, we must to take precaution against electric during and after using the welding machine. That's all. Thank you.